What's up guys? The developer with you, S9 and S9 Plus first look from Barcelona. Let's do it. As you see, the phone comes with the headphone jack from the back. Also with the stereo speaker collaborating with Dolby Company, the fingerprint sensor comes in a comfortable place. With 12 megapixels 2 cameras from the back. That's nice. Speaking of colors, as you see it comes with 4 different colors. And just like the Galaxy S8 last year, but the new color in it is violet for the 2 models. For the screens have the same specifications for previous generations, 5.8 for the S9 and 6.2 for the S9 Plus, QHD and Super AMOLED on both sides, of course. With the Infinity display, the screen comes in the middle of the device with less bezels, which gives the device a wonderful view. The big change comes in cameras, with new and sensitive lens opening for the 2 models. 1 camera for the S9 and 2 for the Plus brother. The second lens is competent for the zoom on the Plus model, just like on Note 8. The phone can now shoot super slow motion. This is what previous generations did not offer. We're speaking about the S8 and Note 8. Now you can take control of the camera mod, just like in DSLR cameras. And that's totally new from Samsung. I really want to buy this phone. How about you guys? Tell me what do you think about in the comments section. The difference between the 2 phones comes in the RAM, the S9 with 4 GB and the Plus model with 6 GB. The 2 phones comes with the latest version of Android, which is the Oreo 8.0. Something new comes with the phones, which is the intelligent lock, not really like on the iPhone X, but I think it's better. You can share them on WhatsApp or with your family. The Bixby can translate directly using the camera without taking a picture. The phone can take for you something new, and which is called live images. Okay guys. That was a quick review. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for subscribing. Your supports really helps me guys. Thanks for that. Like and share this video if that's possible. See you next time, and take care of yourself.